Hey, good to see you again. Welcome back. So here is the deal. I love my Galaxy Watch 4. Despite some shortcomings, I believe that Samsung has released the best smartwatch ever. Smash that like button if you agree. 131. Oh, that's different. That's now different. Come on. 145. However, here's the big however. I am also open-minded and can see beyond my passion for the Galaxy Watch 4. So I tried the Garmin Venu 2 Plus for the previous 7 days. Here's something I noticed right away. The calories on the Garmin show me 214. And you're talking about like 20 minutes into a light workout. On the Galaxy Watch 4, it shows me 97, which I believe is more accurate. The question I really have is the grass greener on the other side, especially when Garmin is leading the field for fitness accuracy, or so it seems. Okay, let's have a look at the heart rate while I walk. You can see the Garmin here is jumping 126, 129, 130. You see, when I buy a device like the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, something I've never tried from a company before, I see myself in their core target demographic, an acquisition of a new customer. Let me tell you, as a brand new customer of a Garmin Venu 2 Plus, I had to be really patient in order to set up the watch. Basically, you need to download the Garmin Connect app, register, download the Garmin store to get some apps like Spotify, and all of this is forgivable if it would work. During my setup, my progress for the setup really got stuck over and over again, and I tried new setup, and it just didn't go anywhere, especially when I wanted to download apps from that store. It just got stuck over and over again. What I do in those situations is I do a sanity check online to see if it may be just me, a user error, but to my surprise, it's not a new issue. It has been here before, and it looks like it's going to be here for a while. To this day, I couldn't get Spotify to work on the Garmin Venu 2 Plus. I could download it. I can't really get any songs to play. I can't download songs. It says it's synchronizing, it's all done, but there are no songs on there. I just couldn't get it to work. So look, before you Garmin people give me heat, please bear in mind, I am a new customer. I am trying to set up a brand new watch that is overall brand new to me, and I paid $450 for it. Moving on, I encountered several connectivity issues between the watch and the app, which is probably a learning curve on how to fix it. It just didn't connect, even when I followed Garmin's instructions step by step. However, I have figured out that by restarting the watch itself, when you restart the watch, it will fix most of the problems. The good news is you can use your Garmin Venu 2 Plus with iOS and Android. You are not locked in any ecosystem as such. But this may be also the issue or the reason why I had issues with the app earlier, because look, realistically, Garmin has to maintain 2 different operating systems at all times. Your voice assistant on the Garmin Venu 2 Plus is basically an extension. It is not a default built-in voice assistant on your watch. It is just basically connecting to your phone and conveying the message of your default voice assistant you have on your phone, which could be Siri, Bixby, or Google Assistant. It will not display anything on your watch. It will only convey the message via the speakers, and again, it's a connection and extension, not a built-in dedicated voice assistant as we know with Google Assistant for the Galaxy Watch 4, for example. There's no wireless charging, which really doesn't bug me as such, because when you charge your watch, you just basically put it down on a nightstand or on a charger, but it's kind of awkward to plug in and, to put it on the table. In terms of usage, it uses Garmin OS, and it is basically something you have to get used to, like anything new or any new device you never used before. But in terms of user experience, I would probably give it a 3 out of 5, 1 being the best. Using the Garmin Venu 2 Plus as a smartwatch, I kind of have a hard time to see who can actually benefit from this. So, but hold your horses here. That's why I took it outside for a fitness accuracy test with the Galaxy Watch 4. There's no better way to check a display of any smartwatch in the sun. So let's do this. We have a beautiful winter day. I've got DJ here with me. Hey DJ, let's have a look. So the Garmin, yeah, it's looking good. Heart rate 128. I can see this really well. And here, Galaxy Watch 4, 126. I can also see the display really well. Okay, let's have a quick look for the steps to, 2,800 almost here on the Garmin. On the Galaxy Watch 4, we have 2,853. Okay, so they're literally seconds apart from 3 kilometers and it's 45 minutes in here. The calorie is way off. Distance is spot on. Heart rate, we'll check, is so la la, but it could be okay. Steps is okay. Calories is not cool, man. 472 for a bit of a walk. I wish. I wish in my dreams. 222. That seems more accurate to me. Let me just show you guys. I wanted to show you the fluctuation of the heart rate for both watches. So we have the Garmin here on the left-hand side. It's not fluctuating anymore. It was just fluctuating, really going up to 130 all the time and higher, then going down. But let's see the Galaxy Watch C. Well, there's a difference in heart rate. You can see this here is 129 versus 130, which is measured versus well, no, it came back 130, but you see the jump. You saw the jump. Looking at the overall results here between the Garmin Venu 2 Plus and the Galaxy Watch 4, the results are almost identical. And you know what? Apart from the calorie count was way off on the Garmin, and that's a fact. But the heart rate and everything else, the distance, it's pretty much in line with each other. Well, the last 7 days have really shown me by using the Garmin Venu 2 Plus and the Galaxy Watch 4 at the same time to see if I can basically break out of the system or see something new. It's that the sensors between the premium devices are not magical in the sense of, okay, I'm going to go for this watch because it is so super accurate. No, you don't miss out. It hasn't given me anything I cannot get from the Galaxy Watch 4 as of today. So therefore, it is really a personal choice more than anything. But one major thing I want to point out, and that is the battery life on the Garmin Venu 2 Plus that is basically out of this world. You can get up to 1 week if you handle it properly. So that's really something you keep in mind, or you have to keep in mind when you shop around. And depending on the use case, that could be really something that you say, yeah, that's for me, because I really want to go biking and I want to go running, I want to go kayaking, whatever it is. I don't want to charge it every single day. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, I appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching. Peace out.